There's something quite fascinating. Two women at the same age, both over 50, but while one still has rosy, glowing skin like she's in her 20s, the other is quietly struggling with dark spots, pigmentation, and sagging skin day by day. So, what's the real reason behind this? Many believe that using expensive creams is enough. But there are others who choose a gentler, simpler approach, combining the most natural, readily available ingredients right from the kitchen. So the real question is, what method actually helps brighten and even out the skin tone, reduce pigmentation, and do it safely for middle-aged skin? Could it really be that just a few simple ingredients can transform tired-looking skin? In today's video, Live Well Everyday is excited to share with you 2 skincare recipes using egg yolk, combined with natural ingredients that help repair the skin, brighten complexion, and visibly reduce dark spots, and to support beauty from the inside out. The final part of the video includes a scientific breakdown of what foods you should eat and avoid to nourish your skin internally, not just treat it on the surface. Feel free to leave a comment about your current skin concerns. We'll do our best to give you practical and specific advice. And if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe so we can continue this journey of living well, living wisely, and living with meaning together. Greenheart wishing you all good health, peace of mind, and beauty that radiates from within. Thank you for watching and supporting Live Well every day. Dear friends, before we dive into the 2 specific recipes, let's take a moment to understand why egg yolk is considered one of the most reliable natural skincare ingredients, especially for those entering midlife. Once, during a skincare consultation for women over 50, a lady came to me asking for advice. Her skin had started to darken and develop sunspots rapidly on both cheeks, and the surface looked dry and noticeably dull. She said, "I didn't pay much attention before, just used whatever creams I saw online. But now, the more I apply, the weaker my skin feels. So I want to find a gentler, more natural solution." After carefully listening to her concerns, I suggested a very simple formula: just egg yolk combined with a bit of orange juice or honey and lemon juice. Apply it to the face twice a week, along with a few minor changes to her daily diet. Surprisingly, just a little over 3 weeks later, she came back looking noticeably more radiant. She smiled and said, "I never thought things lying around the kitchen could make my skin so much brighter, more even, and significantly less rough." Dear friends, I want to clearly explain this to you. The egg yolk is the most nutrient-rich part of the egg, packed with vitamins A, E, B complex, healthy fatty acids, and especially lecithin, a compound that deeply moisturizes, softens, enhances elasticity, and helps restore delicate, thinning skin over time. When paired properly with ingredients like fresh orange juice, honey, or lemon juice, egg yolk not only delivers deep hydration but also brightens skin, fades pigmentation, and improves both tone and texture noticeably. This recipe is especially suitable for mature skin, when natural moisture levels decline, elasticity fades, and dark spots, melasma, and wrinkles become more visible. Now, let's discover 2 simple egg yolk-based recipes that you can easily make at home. They're simple, but incredibly effective if used consistently every week. First recipe: egg yolk combined with fresh orange juice. Dear friends, to begin, prepare 1 egg yolk. Ideally, use free-range, naturally raised eggs. The yolk is the most precious part of the egg, as it's rich in vitamins A, E, B2, along with healthy fatty acids and a unique compound called lecithin. These nutrients help repair damaged skin cells, soften the skin, deeply moisturize, and improve elasticity, making this combination especially beneficial for aging skin that's beginning to show signs of sagging, dryness, and discoloration due to age. Next, squeeze about 1 tablespoon of fresh orange juice. Orange is a common fruit, but few people know that its juice contains natural vitamin C, citric acid, and flavonoids, compounds that help inhibit melanin production. which in turn helps reduce dark spots, freckles, and pigmentation on the skin's surface. Additionally, vitamin C stimulates collagen production, making the skin look brighter and more even over time. When egg yolk and fresh orange juice are combined, these two seemingly simple ingredients form a truly valuable face mask, one that both hydrates and nourishes from within. While gently brightening the skin and reducing pigmentation, the yolk softens and deeply nourishes, while the orange juice brings brightness and freshness, especially helpful for areas with uneven tone or brown spots. However, this recipe is not suitable for everyone. Those with highly sensitive skin, a tendency to react to natural acids in citrus, or who have open wounds or inflamed acne should avoid using this mixture. Alternatively, test it on a small area of skin under the chin to ensure safety. The best time to apply this mask is in the evening, when the skin is at rest and not exposed to sunlight or pollution. Use 1 to 2 times per week. Apply for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse with warm water, then follow with cool water to help tighten the pores. Second recipe: egg yolk combined with honey and lemon juice. Dear friends, for the second recipe, we again start with 1 egg yolk, because this is truly the foundation of skin renewal. As mentioned earlier, egg yolks are packed with vitamins A, B complex, and other nutrients that soothe aging, dry, or tired skin. It acts as a smoothing base that nourishes skin deeply, locks in natural moisture, and helps improve elasticity that naturally declines with age. Next, add 1 teaspoon of raw honey. Honey has long been considered a natural gift for the skin due to its antibacterial, moisturizing, and soothing properties. It contains active enzymes, amino acids, and antioxidants that help soften rough areas, shrink small blemishes, and enhance skin regeneration. For mature skin, honey provides a gentle, pleasant feeling and doesn't clog the pores. In fact, it helps the skin's surface feel softer and more supple after each use. Lastly, squeeze in about 1/2 teaspoon of fresh lemon juice. Though it's a small amount, fresh lemon contains natural vitamin C and citric acid, which help brighten the skin, gently exfoliate dead skin cells, and improve skin tone. For those dealing with pigmentation due to sun exposure or hormones, a touch of lemon helps the skin look more even and vibrant, when used correctly and not excessively. When these 3 ingredients are blended together, the resulting mixture offers moisture from the egg, antibacterial support from the honey, and gentle brightening from the lemon, creating a mask that's ideal for dull, uneven skin or skin recovering from harsh sunlight and fatigue. Apply the mixture evenly on a clean face. Leave on for about 15 minutes. Then rinse with warm water followed by cool water to tighten and refresh the skin. However, please note, this formula is not suitable for very sensitive skin. Skin with open wounds, severe acne, or skin undergoing peeling. In such cases, it's best to opt for a milder formula or test it first on a small patch of skin. It's best to apply this mask in the evening, 1 to 2 times per week, so the skin has time to rest and absorb the nutrients most effectively. Dear friends, when it comes to treating melasma and dark spots in a lasting and deep-rooted way, applying facial masks is just a small part of the journey. Whether your skin is bright, smooth, and even in tone depends largely on how your body functions internally, from hormones and liver detoxification to digestion, and even your daily emotional and mental well-being. Many people think pigmentation is mainly caused by sun exposure or aging. But in reality, melasma and freckles often stem from hormonal imbalances, a sluggish liver, nutritional deficiencies, and especially prolonged stress. When the body is tired and internal organs aren't functioning efficiently, the skin quickly reflects that deterioration, becoming dull, dry, pigmented, full of built-up toxins, and losing elasticity. That's why, in addition to using face masks, it's crucial to pay attention to your daily nutrition. Green leafy vegetables and red-orange foods like carrots, pumpkins, And tomatoes are not only nutritious but also rich in beta-carotene, a powerful antioxidant that supports skin cell regeneration. Fruits high in vitamin C such as oranges, guava, and kiwi are also excellent for your skin, helping to boost immunity, brighten the complexion, and even out tone naturally, to slow down aging and reduce dryness and wrinkles as you get older. You can also add a small portion of walnuts, chia seeds, or salmon to your daily meals. These foods are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are fantastic for both skin and heart health. Especially helpful is a simple daily habit: drinking a glass of warm water with turmeric and honey every morning. This aids liver detoxification, purifies the blood, and gradually improves skin clarity and strength from the inside out. However, if your diet still includes a lot of refined sugar, deep-fried oily foods, carbonated soft drinks, or frequent consumption of strong coffee and alcohol, it becomes very difficult to fade dark patches or uneven tone. These factors not only cause the oil glands to become overactive, leading to breakouts, but they also overwork the liver, which in turn leads to toxins accumulating and showing up on the skin. For that reason, besides food, your daily beverages also play a vital role in improving your skin from within. Among the simplest yet most skin-benefiting drinks, roasted black bean water is a familiar and reliable choice. All you need is a small handful of green core black beans. Gently roast them over low heat until the skins crack slightly and they release a mild fragrance. Then boil them in about a liter of water. Bring to a boil, then simmer for 10 to 15 minutes. Strain the liquid, let it cool slightly, and it's ready to drink. You can enjoy it warm or cold depending on the season, but ideally, drink it in the morning or early afternoon, when your body is alert and can absorb nutrients best. Black beans contain anthocyanin, a potent antioxidant that helps slow down skin aging, fade dark spots, and improve pigmentation. They're also rich in fiber and plant-based protein, which support liver function, purify the blood, and cool the body from the inside out, perfect for those prone to liver heat, breakouts, or dull skin. That said, no matter how gentle it is, you shouldn't overdo it. Limit to about 300 to 400 milliliters per day, and maintain a balanced diet and calm mind for the best visible results. So, to make these skincare methods truly effective, don't forget to nourish your body daily, with wholesome meals, with a beneficial drink, and with gentle, positive thoughts. When your body is healthy from within, your skin will naturally reflect that inner radiance outward. Dear friends, beautiful skin doesn't come from magic. It actually comes from the simplest things in daily life. Just one egg yolk, a splash of orange juice, a few drops of honey or lemon, and the patience to care for your skin gently and consistently, and within just a few weeks, your skin can gradually become brighter, softer, and healthier each day. But the most precious thing of all is the patience and consistency in caring for both your skin and your body, inside and out. When your body is treated with love and respect, your skin will naturally reflect that wellness and radiance from deep within. If you found today's sharing helpful, don't hesitate to subscribe to Live Well every day so that whenever you need a kind word or gentle guidance for your health or beauty, we'll be right here to meet again. Wishing you abundant health, glowing skin, a peaceful spirit, and days filled with true serenity.